Most people fail on YouTube, not because they are untalented, but they fail because they don't really understand how YouTube works. In this video, I am going to break it down step by step in a simple way. So, if you are a beginner or you are struggling to grow on YouTube, you will understand exactly what to do after watching this video. Before we start this video, I'm Coach Gabriel, and in this channel, I help new and the small YouTube channels to grow on YouTube and also help creators master AI video creation, Canva tutorials step by step. If this is you, kindly subscribe to this channel. Now let's start the video. First step, pick one clear direction. The first mistake that most YouTubers make is trying to do everything. First day, they post tutorials. Then the next day, they post vlogs. It is wrong. At this point, you are confusing the YouTube algorithm. So YouTube doesn't know who to show your. In 2026, YouTube rewards clarity. So ask yourself these questions. Who is my channel for? And what problem am I solving? Instead of you to say, I'm a YouTuber, say, I help this type of person solve his problem. Because clarity brings fast growth. Second step, make videos that people are already searching for. YouTube is not TikTok. YouTube is a search engine. So before you upload any video, ask YouTube by using YouTube search suggestion and know if people are already searching what you want to upload. This can also help you know popular videos on your niche and the common questions beginners ask. Because if you upload something that people are not searching for, your growth will slow, no matter how good the content is. So start with searchable content, then mix creative content later. Step 3. Your first 5 seconds matters a lot. Most people lose viewers in the first 5 seconds. In 2026, attention is very important. So don't start your videos with, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel." Start your videos with a problem, a bold truth, and a clear promise. For example, most channels will never grow. Here is why, depending on what you post on your channel. This is a strong hook. If your hook is weak, YouTube will not push your video. Step 4. Simplify your content. Most creators talk too much and explain too hard. Remember this, people don't want complex explanation. They want clear explanation. Use short sentences, simple examples, and the step-by-step points. Simple content keeps people watching longer. Step 5. Consistency beats perfection. You don't need best camera or perfect editing. What you need is consistency. In 2026, YouTube rewards creators who post regularly and they stays in one niche. 1 video per week is better than 5 videos in 1 week and disappearing for 1 month. Consistency builds trust with the algorithm. If you are watching this video up to this point, do me a favor by clicking the like button and also subscribe if you have not subscribed. Now let's go for step 6. Use short videos to grow faster. If you are not uploading shorts in 2026, you are slowing your growth. Short videos help you to reach new people and get subscribers faster. Turn your videos into short tips, strong opinion, and the quick lessons. 1 good shot can bring hundreds of new subscribers. The last step, ask people to subscribe to your channel the right way. Don't just say subscribe. Tell them why they should subscribe to your channel. Say something like, this channel helps new creators to grow faster on YouTube. If this is you, subscribe. Because people subscribe when they see value. Finally, growing on YouTube is not about luck. It is about clarity, consistency, and a smart strategy. If you apply all these steps, growth will come, even if you are starting from zero. If you want more videos like this that breaks YouTube growth down in a simple way, subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next video.